Going sort of with the way the color and the headdress is going. I'm not like too worried about it matching up, or as long as I keep the colors in there. Some pinks somewhere in here. I can already see that I messed up. That's okay. Who's gonna know, right?
Where?
Where'd you mess up?
I have two of these instead of one.
Oh. Well.
Oh, shucks.
But I'm just trying to make colors that are pretty together, that flow together, that aren't jarring in any way, that are sort of similar to what's going on in the headpiece. And then there's some shadow like right here. And on this side, there's really very little white on this side. So I'm constantly moving around the picture, not sticking, not focusing on one area and saying, oh, I made a big boo, it's blossoming, what am I going to do? It's still wet enough that I'm barely touching the paper and it's sort of just going where I need it to go. So I'm sketching in this color right now, this pink, with a very dry brush. And it, I sketch it and then it sort of blends. Sometimes it does, sometimes it doesn't. I get that sketchy look and then, oh well. There's a shadow here that I need to deal with. Right? Blue, I go back to blue, and it's kind of bluish right there. And bluish right there. Let me notice. Sketching in the blue, yeah, I'm definitely allergic to the beard. Now the eyebrows, since I have the blue, and I try to find other places to put it. Even in the eyes, I think I'm gonna start with blue. And fill in later with the darker color. It's almost like sketching with a colored pencil, just. Yeah.
It almost looks like
how many minutes is it taking you to do this painting? Maybe 7.
From one neighbor over ours and take the rest of the house.
So it's fabulous.
Great colors.
The colors are really wonderful.
So notice I haven't done any darks yet. I'm waiting for the last minute. I'm just sort of. I haven't even done my background. Shame on me. Just realized that.
You're filming this.
A little bit.
Good.
You want me to film the whole thing or kind of off and on?
Would have been nice, yeah.
I'll
then
try.
I can post it on the internet again.
Oh dear, I have to hold this.
Oh, should I introduce a whole new color? I don't know. Let's see. Oh, who cares?
I do.
Yeah, super dark. I'm just throwing all 3 colors on it, getting it dark. It's the rainbow effect. Well, I know I can't go wrong because I've got all the colors that are in the painting. And I'll just keep moving it and changing it until it works with what it's against. So I'm just going to take it off. I don't want that white back. And then on this side. So it's almost like you're quickly filling it in with one color and then you can throw other colors on top if you don't like the color. We'll go a little more yellow on this side because we've got bring it up here. I'm making this up over here. I just wanted to go off the page. Okay, then this is where I would start to stop and think, what am I going to do? Where am I going to go with my darks? I mean, I like the headpiece and there's a lot of black in it, but if I really focus in and get that really dark, the tension's gonna go up there, and because it's so colorful. So I think I'd start with making the eyes dark. So you go in with the really dark pure pigment. I don't rinse the three colors, just really intense, right? She's got like black eyes, right? Ooh, she's coming to life.
Amazing what happens when you put the eyes in.
It comes alive, doesn't it? And then once I get that, I'm going to soften it a bit over here. And then I start worrying about the nose and the lips. The nose shadow underneath is just going, it's dry enough now where you can kind of add a little bit of shadow. Let's see. And the corners, I always like to make the corners darker than the rest of the lips because it gives them a little bit of depth. And underneath, she's got a big bottom lip, so you want the underneath part to be darker than the lip itself. Don't make the lip darker than the underneath part. That will make the bottom lip pop out more.
Come over here.
Oh, I can see. I can see right through people. I'm using
And the eyebrows.
X-ray vision.
Eyebrows aren't going to be as dark as the eyes, right?
They're really up down there. Then.
Is that
They're
eyebrow?
pretty dark, but it's almost under the.
You have to be careful though. You have to sort of not make them as dark so that her eyes are really. They never seem as dark. Something's funky about this eye over here. Oops.
Were those lashes? Maybe I can't see the lashes.
You mean the edge?
Yeah. Maybe sticking out lashes.
It's the 3/4
Yeah.
view foreshortened, so you're gonna get mostly eyeball here.
Yeah.
See if I can get it out without screwing it up. I like to blend these. I need to add some color there. You know, you just sort of, you don't want to go too far. I it's kind of quick now and then look at it from a distance and then come back in. I think I'm going to have to do more on the neck, do a little more on the headpiece. But I won't really know that until I go step back from it and look.
I'm not trying to be cute here, but how about that shadow on the lips? Maybe it's my angle on it, but
The darker.
no, this white,
Mm-hmm.
and I'm not
Pops
being
too much,
disrespectful.
yeah.
It
No,
looks,
no.
it looks like buck teeth.
Yeah, little buck
Yeah.
teeth.
Yeah.
Little Bugs Bunny. Yes. And I probably wouldn't see that until I moved back there, and then I would see it and then adjust it.